Hi folks, this is just a recording to help re-navigate how to upload your draft observation guidelines to our TPBA3 revision folder. When you log onto your Google Drive, your folder, if you've moved it into My Drive, sorry you're looking at all my different folders, here is the TPBA on the bottom right-hand corner in mine. It's called TPBA3 revision. If you haven't moved that into your own drive since it was shared with you, it would be under, if I click on the left, it would be under the shared with me. And you can just take any folder and drag it into My Drive, so then it's in your own drive. So if I go back to My Drive, I am going to, yikes, that opened up everything. I'm going to open up the TPBA3 revision folder, and we are supposed to upload to this folder called Draft Rating Scales Observation Guidelines. Actually, I'll just rename it to Observation Guidelines. So if you open that folder, this is where you will upload your draft observation guidelines so everyone can review them in one area. So you'll click on the New tab on the top left-hand corner. You'll click on File Upload, and then you can upload it from your computer, your document. It will upload in a Word document, likely, which you then can view from your computer. I'm going to also resend out this link to the TPBA3 revision folder along with this video. Hopefully that helps. Thanks. Bye.